Welcome to the Gayley Heights apartment building. So Gayley Heights is the biggest UCLA UA, and as you can see, there's 17 floors, which is huge. So this is me. So this is the living room space that kind of divides the two different bedrooms. So over here we have a nice little comfy couch. All the rooms have the same couch. And then back here we have the kitchen area, the refrigerator. Quite big, lots of storage space. Freezer down here, more storage. And here we have the sink. Again, so much storage, and it is difficult to kind of divide it between 6 people or however many people you have, but you just kind of work with it. The stove, the oven, the microwave. Welcome to my bedroom. So we live in a 2-6, so there's 3 people in each room. So there's 3 different beds and 3 different desks. Everyone kind of chooses their own little corner. And over here we have our closet and a lot of storage space. Every person has their own closet, and it is quite tall and has a lot of little nooks and crannies to put your stuff in. Here we have our sink. And again, so much storage space, and it's nice because everything is kind of split into 3, so it's easy to divide up space. And here's the bathroom, the toilet, the shower. We are in the laundry room, and as you can see, there's a lot of washers and dryers, same like the dorms you pay through an app on your phone. The great thing about having so many machines is that you never have to wait for a washer or dryer to be open. Gayley Heights has an outdoor patio/lounge where there's some grills and places to chill. This is the mail room. As you can see, there's a lot of rooms, and you have to unlock these with your Bruin card, and you also have to unlock it to get into the room. Gayley Heights also has an on-site gym. The building also has a ton of study spaces, as you can see.